Good afternoon, sir. I'm Dr. Sridevi from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Actually, I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner here. Before 6 months, I got a case regarding cancer, lung cancer. Actually, I only testified her and she's suffering from lung cancer. She's in the age of 68. So they don't want to go for chemotherapy like that. They asked me what to do. Then I was new to this company. Just then I was joined here in Estonia. So I started with SBTC juice and A9 Anko. Then after some 15 days after, she was slightly improving and she said अभी भूख लगता है, थोड़ा वजन भी अच्छा लग रहा है, इसलिए तो मैं उनकी एवरी डे और लिवर वन सजेस्ट किया. After 6 months, I got a result CT scan. It seems to be there. Actually, there was a big mass in the lungs. The mass has reduced, and she is feeling better now. But still, the mass is there. But physically, she is doing well. Previously, she was bedridden. Now she is doing her work, and she is wandering as normal. So I'm continuing with that medicines. She's doing fine now, sir. Thank you to Estonia. बहुत शानदार प्रोडक्ट है. ये नहीं नाम को SBTC. Sometimes she will be feeling under depression. So I gave her Dabur Stress Calm. Now I have changed to Brain One. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful testimony.